the 2010 Mercury Mountaineer. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include power front seats, leather upholstery, front and rear air conditioning, reverse sensing system, a roof rack, and cruise control. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including front side impact airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.